Hello everyone, it is me, Nicole. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be painting some more miniatures. Not just one, but two miniatures. We're going to be painting that little crystal dude that we made together, so this guy, the little Nis dude. We're going to paint him like a pink color, so he's going to be a pink crystal. And then I also made another crystal. I made this guy, so you'll get a close-up of him when we're painting it, but this one's going to be a green crystal. The paint I'm going to be using today is Stuart Semple, obviously, because he's my hero. This pink pigment, it's like super pink. I'm really excited to try this. I also have this green, again, by Stuart Semple. Honestly, I love Stuart. Like, he's so great. He makes very like affordable, super pigmented paints, and it's just really nice to have someone in the art community like looking out for the rest of us who can't really afford to get like crazy shit. I also have this like other pink and green stuff we got from like Michael's, and I also got some metallic paints. We got these from Michael's too, I think. Also, if you're wondering why I have a big umbrella light next to me, it's because I've had this light for a while and I wasn't really sure how to set it up in my like kitchen, because that's where I'm filming right now. So we're just gonna try it out, and hey, maybe you'll never see the umbrella light again. But maybe it'll be an occurring character and we'll have to name it, so. Thank you, friend. Thanks, friend. Okay, anyway, let's just get into it. Ooh, look at my nails. Thanks, Christine, for making me obsessed with Hollow. It would seem that the pigment stuff doesn't really work. I mean, I'm sure it does work, but maybe it's because of the base that I put on, so it's not like sticking to it right. Like, it works on paper, I know that, because I've tried it on paper before, but I guess because I'm doing it on like a plastic surface with a primer on it, it's just like running off, so I'm gonna use regular acrylic paint for now. I tried. Maybe if I mix the like powdered pigment with some like just regular acrylic paint, I can like make it a little bit more pink without it balling onto it. So I'm gonna try that. So we got some pink on it. It's a little bit uneven, so I'm gonna let it dry and then do a second coat of the like base color. So I guess we can do the base for the green one now and see how it turns out. Okay, so now that I got the base on, my next step is I want to try to do some like highlights and shades, and because they're like crystals, I'm thinking that if I do like the shadow on your finger is like sort of a gradient, but if you have like a crystal, it's usually like really harsh surfaces, right? So yeah, I'm gonna try to do some like really sectioned off shading for these. Hopefully it works. Okay, so I think that worked out really well, actually, hopefully. They look kind of funny, but I'm thinking they'll look better after, like, the base is painted and the, like, little brush-on highlights on, plus, like, the black wash, or, like, really dark wash that I put on, like, all the minis. It really brings out the details, so I'm hoping that that will, like, dull it down so it's not so, like, crazy looking, and it'll add a lot more, like, depth to it, so let's see how it goes. Wow, at some point I rubbed my eyes because I did have makeup on. This is my look now. It's okay, I mean, I have to let these dry anyway, so I'm probably gonna film the reveal on a different day, so I'll fix my face. It's a new day, I fixed my eyeliner, fixed my eyebrows, and we're outside. There's some really nice light coming off the house next door. Thank you, son. Thank you, Saul. You are great. Hello, Saul. Thank you very much. So the minis are dry, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some clear gloss on them. Usually I put a matte finish on them because like fabric isn't really shiny, or like skin's not usually very shiny. So it just makes sense to not have like super glossy stuff on a miniature. But these are crystals, so it would make sense to have like a shiny finish on them because I want them to like reflect the light and be sparkly. So we're gonna do that. I have this stuff, clear gloss. Oh yeah. So we're gonna spray them with that, and then it says I can touch it in 20 minutes, so we're gonna do that. There's a squirrel in there somewhere. Listen, friend, I'm trying to make a video. Do you mind? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your clear gloss. Shake your clear gloss. Alright, test. Cool. Think I got it. Okay, so they're dry. I also re-mattified the bases so they wouldn't be super shiny. You want to see what they look like? Alright, they're finished, and yeah, I'm holding them weird because it's really hard to hold miniatures, like more than one, and show them, so this is the best I got. That was really fun, actually. I think it worked out pretty well. I really like how they turned out, and I'm glad that I did the like highlights on the flat surfaces to like really bring them out. They are pretty shiny, they look pretty crystally and pretty cool, and I'm very happy with them, so hopefully my DM is also happy with them because I made them for him. Also, I made a Redbubble, so like if you really like my icon or any little like doodles, I'll be posting them on there so you can buy them as like a t-shirt or like a bed cover or a notebook. I don't know, whatever you want. Go check it out. If you like cool stuff or D&D related things, then go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So if you like the video, then leave a thumbs up and, you know, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see me make, you know, or if you just want to say hi, that's cool too. And make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, even though it doesn't work. Just hit it anyway. Okay, thank you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.